Steph and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. If you guys don't know, we are currently in the middle of BLOGMAS, which is where I put up a blog post every single day from the 1st to the 25th of this month. It's for Christmas. I absolutely love Christmas. It is the most wonderful time of the year. And okay, so in the spirit of BLOGMAS, which is all about showing you guys my favorite holiday trends, giving back for the season, all of that sort of stuff, a little gift from me to you for 25 days of reading material, just like one of your university profs are over here. Anyways, I put up a poll on my Instagram asking you guys, my followers, my subscribers, what you want to see for my first hair tutorial back. There were two options. There were big waves and flat iron curls. I don't know if you can tell which one won. I'm so funny. Okay. But anyways, so I'm going to show you guys how to get these cute hair commercial hair insert. I'm going to show you guys how to get these big voluminous beachy waves. What you guys are going to need for this tutorial is a 1.5 inch or a 1.25 inch curling iron. I use a Hot Tools one. I show you exactly what one you use, and you're going to need a wide tooth comb. This is the living proof one that I Okay, so I'm going to start off with my hair in a semi-center part. When I'm doing beachy waves, I don't like my part to be so like clean. Even like my hair doesn't also really do beach waves. I just call mine beachy waves. But yeah, it's kind of just like my big waves that I get in my hair. But anyways, okay, what I call them is a sidebar. So the first thing I do is I divide my hair and then I brush it out, or comb it out in this case. And like, full plain and true disclosure, I have a lot of hair, so, and it's long, so the weight of it does make the waves fall a lot more than potentially it will on your hair, depending on like your length and your texture. Just know that I have like quite straight hair, so that does have a lot to do with the waves. Okay, so I'm just taking a section here from the bottom and I'm just gonna quickly divide it in two. Ooh, nope. Okay. Yeah. And I'm taking, this is a Hot Tools, I believe it's a 1.5 inch, maybe 1.25 inch barrel. It's set up pretty high, and also the finger protector on the clamp came off, so I'm actually not gonna use that. But what I am gonna do is I'm gonna take the iron, face it down, and I'm going to just quickly wrap my hair around it, and I'm going to hold it for about 5 seconds. And then I'm going to drop it into my hand, let it cool for a second, and then let it fall. I'm just going to take it to the back so it doesn't get in the way. And I'm going to take this next section and do the same thing. I am taking bigger sections. This is so that the waves or the curls I'm going to put in first aren't actually so tight, and it also is just a lot faster. Like with big waves, I have definitely found you don't need to be so precise about it unless you're like wanting your waves to be perfectly like lined up and the wave pattern to be meticulous every single time. Honestly, not a huge concern of mine. Okay, I don't need to like section that piece off. That's like a little piece. Okay, so I'm just gonna take my first section. I always work from the back to the front, and no matter what I do, I always wrap away from my face. Like, some people are like, alternate the curls, like, it just doesn't look good for me. I like everything to go one way. I find it makes the waves look so much like cleaner. I understand that like people usually want to go for beachy waves, but even when I'm doing beachy waves, I still like them to have a little bit of like uniform, and like my hair is straight-ish, like, so it's not like it's not like when I put beachy waves into my hair, people are gonna be like, whoa, those are so natural looking. Like, obviously they're fake. If you've seen any pictures of me at the beach, my hair is not wavy. My hair is like dead straight. Anyways, okay. So I'm just continuing along, doing this, repeating, wrapping, holding for a second, and then curl, yeah. Dropping and then repeating. The sections I'm taking are a little bit larger. They're probably about 1.5 to 2 inches in width. I kind of just grab and go, whatever feels natural for me. You can obviously section and curl your hair as desired. I'm just saying, like, the bigger sections you take, the bigger your waves are going to be. And honestly, if you have hard to curl hair, like really hard to curl hair, big waves are not the strategy for you. I hate to say it, like, only because if you have hard to curl hair, one, your hair, you have to hold it on the barrel for a really long time, but you also have to do your curls really, really tight because the curls are going to fall quite quickly. And if your overall look is for a bigger wave, if you start off with a really big wave, then it's going to obviously fall quite a bit faster than if you start with like a tighter wave. There are ways around it, like you can, with every curl, wrap it up and then pin it and let it cool like that, or give it a shot with your blow dryer on cold. Like, there are a number of things you can do around it, but it's quite a bit more work and it's quite a bit more like processing to your hair, because you'll probably need to use more product, which is more chemicals, etc. Yeah, I used to have really hard to curl hair, like when I was in middle school and high school, and then I dyed my hair blonde and it's fine now. Lol. Yeah, just like when I used to have really hard to curl hair, I would never have dreamed of putting curls in my hair with an actual curling wand. I would always use a curling iron, which I do have a tutorial for that planned in the works. So if you do have hard to curl hair, stay tuned for that, because that is definitely the way you can get whatever curly or wavy hairstyle you want without worrying about it falling. That was rambly, sorry. Okay, I'm just getting to the front of my hair now. I am holding these pieces for just like these in-between front sections, just a little bit longer, because when I get to the front, I take a little bit smaller, but I don't hold the sections for as long. I don't know why the front pieces of my hair are so picky. They don't like they don't look good doing this, they don't like doing that, they won't curl this way, like, anyways, okay. Sorry, complaining about my hair, like, not a huge issue. So I'm just gonna take it, wrap it around, and that's it. Okay, front of my hair done. Okay, I'm gonna go curl the other side and I will get back to you guys. Okay, so I have curled the rest of my hair, as you guys can see. So the key to this is definitely wait until your hair is completely cooled off, because if there's still any heat in your hair and you try and run it, run your fingers through it or comb through it, you're gonna break up the original wave too soon and it's gonna fall a lot faster. Whereas if you let it cool, you let it set, and that's the important thing. So you can, one, leave it like this. These are already pretty big waves. I don't know if you guys can see. Sorry, okay. So they're already pretty big waves, as you can tell, but I'm like 50% sold on these. Like for these, I know that they're gonna fall out, and so I would like be okay leaving it, but for the purpose of this, I want to show you guys like how big the waves can actually get. So I'm gonna take a wide tooth comb and just briefly start at the bottom and then work my way up, and then I brush from behind out, and then I quickly run my fingers through it. Okay, it's a little dark. Okay, I'll show you on the side. So brushing through, they definitely fall out quite quickly. One thing I'll show you guys when I do my flat iron tutorial is how like bouncy the hair actually stays. But for this, okay, sorry, I'm gonna have to go into the light here. Okay, you can kind of see. So now these are the finished waves. Sorry, I can't get the lighting sorted today. It has been all over the place. Anyways, these are the finished waves. I am not a huge product person. I really don't like the feeling of things in my hair besides like maybe the teeniest bit of sea salt or texturizing spray. If you are a like hairspray, texturizing spray, dry shampoo person, like feel free to do whatever you want to get your waves exactly the way you like them, but this is my technique and this is actually how I do it. So if you are ever curious what my hair is like in real life from my photos, this is definitely it, and there's like nothing in it. It is just the curling iron in my hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys have been enjoying BLOGMAS. If you have caught up with it, if you haven't, go check it out. It's up on my blog. Also, make sure to follow me on social media. I'll have all my Instagrams linked down below. There are 4 of them. So there's a food one, a travel one, a warm toned aesthetic fashion one, and a cool toned aesthetic fashion one. I just couldn't decide, and yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. It helps me out a lot.